Most new YouTubers think the algorithm hates them, but the truth is, it does not even know them yet. The real secret is, you just need to understand how it thinks. So in this video, I'm going to break down 5 YouTube algorithm secrets that every small creators must know. So if you are tired of uploading video that nobody watch, stay with me, because the number 5 is what you need to grow your channel even though your channel is dead. Let's dive into it. So the number 1 thing is why YouTube does not push video anymore. Why does it test it rather? Many new creators think when you upload video, YouTube push it to anyone. Nope. When you upload video, the algorithm tests it with small group of your audience, or usually your subscribers and a few viewers with smaller interests. So if those people click and watch at least 50% of the video, it will send a signal to the algorithm that the video is good, and the algorithm will still test it with wider audience, and that video will get a lot of views and recommendations. What you need to do right now is to focus on creating strong hook in the first 30 seconds. Tell viewers the reason why they should stay the video to the ending. A lot of creators, they start their video with "Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel," and boom, viewers must leave because the intro is very boring. Say the most important thing in the first 30 seconds. And also, you must still need to work on your thumbnail, because if YouTube start pushing your video today and your thumbnail is bad, nobody will still click on that video. Even though you create the best video in the whole world and your thumbnail does not describe what the video is all about, nobody will click that particular video. So right now, you need to create high quality thumbnail so that the thumbnail might describe what the video is all about, because thumbnail is a mini aid to any of your video. Thumbnail describe what your video is all about. Number 2, the algorithm cares about viewer certification. Forget the old days when tags and keyword ruled. Now YouTube cares about how your viewers feel after watching your video. For example, how long they stay. Number 2, if they click another video from you. Number 3, if they leave a like, comment or share. Number 4, if they come back to watch your video later. So those signals tell YouTube that this video made people happy, and when viewers are satisfied, the algorithm promotes your channel more often. So encourage viewers to share your video. Use end stream, playlists and series style content. So the number 3 big secret is that the algorithm follow the audience, not the creators. A huge mistake many upcoming YouTubers are making today is to think that the algorithm hates them. No, the algorithm does not work that way. The algorithm follow the audience behavior, not creators. That means if people stop watching a certain topic or style, YouTube will stop promoting videos like that. I mean, if people stop watching your video to the end, YouTube will stop recommending that video to a lot of audience, because it will send a signal to the YouTube algorithm that people did not like that type of video, so it will stop recommending it. What you need to do right now is to follow where the audience attention is going. Study what is trending, what format is working, and what your analytics say people are searching for at the moment.
I am in my YouTube studio right now. I will show you how you can find trending topic if you are a YouTuber. So at the down you will see analytics. You click the analytics, immediately you enter your studio and it will take you to here. When it takes you to here, you will see overview, and after seeing the overview you will see content, and after seeing the content you will see audience, and after seeing the audience you will see trend. You click the trend, and when you click the trend, it will load and it will take you to here. So if you are a YouTuber that teach about YouTube, this is what is trending at the moment, and if you post anything about this, it will go viral. It's compulsory on your niche depending on what you post, so they will give you a trendy thing depending on what you post. So this is what is trendy right now, what is trending about YouTube growth. So if anyone you post from here, it will go viral. So right now let's dive to the next session.
Number 4 is to be consistency, because it teaches the algorithm who to show your video to earlier. So you must think of YouTube like a smart robot that always learns. When you post randomly, like one vlogs, one tutorial, one reaction, YouTube will get confused and it will not know who your audience really is. But when you post consistent about one topic like YouTube growth, gaming or fitness, the algorithm will learn who to recommend your video to faster. So what you need to do right now is to be consistent in your niche, upload schedule and your style. That is how YouTube will start automatically to recommend you to the right audience. And also, consistency does not mean when you post on a daily basis. Even 1 or 2 videos per week is okay when you post regularly and focus. The last and not the least secret is that the algorithm reward long-term engagement. Long-term engagement is the most biggest secret because YouTube does not track how your video perform in the first 24 hours. It tracks how it performs over time, and if people click your video for a week or a month, YouTube will keep recommending that type of video forever. So to win long-term content, number 1 is to create timeless content, topic that stay relevant. Number 2, title and thumbnail that attract viewers well. So improve your thumbnail and your title. Number 3, keep uploading old videos in your playlist or description, because your goal as a small creator is not just viral video, it's a video that stay forever alive. So if you apply those 5 secrets in your next few videos, you will notice a big niche. Your impression and your views will go higher as never before. And if you want me to break down exactly how to make the algorithm love your channel, how to make the algorithm give you more views, just drop a comment saying hi, and I will do that in my next video. And if this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of my video. Right now I drop a seller link on my YouTube bio. You can see it and support my YouTube channel financially if you wish to. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.